How to sign into Metlife Dental Provider account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box. Type in Metlife Dental login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one. Log into your account Metlife. After you open it, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from this page you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Metlife account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your username. Then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password or username, go ahead and click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register now and create your Metlife account. If you have any issues logging into your account, you can click on this option and with that your problem will be resolved. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily sign into Metlife Dental Provider account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like,